hard. See?
Are you choking?
Here, put your finger in there. Just do that, yeah.
Where'd you get that from, buddy? Who's that from?
Put your finger in there. See, stick your finger in there. There you go. Pull it all down. Pull it all down. Pull it down this way. Down. Down right here. There you go. See how easy that was? You don't need no scissors. You don't need to take them all out.
Olivia, here, come here. Open your gift. Bless you. Bless you.
Yeah. What? Count them for her.
Olivia, this is from
Make
Uncle
sure
Tony,
they're all there.
okay?
Count
Can you
them in
open that?
Spanish so she can know. If not, she has to return it. Can you count them all in Spanish?
Come on, open it.
Count them all.
Olivia.
Count them.
Open
Count
it.
them all.
Open it.
Hey,
Here.
count them. No, here it goes. It's sideways. Count them.
Open it.
Count them all in Spanish, see?
Open it.
Count them. Count them. Count them.
Open it like this.
Count them. Can you count them?
Olivia. Olivia.
Count them in Spanish.
Open it. Oh,
Come on, count them.
open it.
Stay here. Count them.
Olivia, don't you want this? What is it? Ah, what is it? Look.
Can you count them?
Look. What do you say, Mama? What do you say? Look.
Great. He's gonna want that. See?
It's kind of like the music they play on Little Einsteins. Whose is that? That's Olivia's. That's a baby toy.
Look at spoons.
Oh, yeah.
Who's that?
Umbrella.
Show Abuela the Mickey Mouse.
Oh, tell her thank you for the dinero and the Mickey Mouse. Show her the Mickey Mouse. Di gracias.
You're dancing, Olivia?
Gracias por el dinero. Count the cars.